Hi you guys, so welcome to my channel. I just wanted to give an intro video to let y'all know what my channel will be about. Also, my name is ITSNAE, but I usually go by Nae, either or. My channel will mainly be about vlogs, tip videos, DIY craft videos, pranks, story times, challenges, just anything you can think of. I just want it to be fun and all inclusive. You know, y'all will see a lot of my family, maybe friends, you never know. Yeah, I just wanted to give a little intro. Also, you guys, my package came in from Bling Ting. I actually have it on, my beautiful African necklace. I just wanted to show y'all. Also, if you queens love jewelry, y'all could use my code ITSNAE, ITSNAE, for Bling Ting for money off. Thank you guys for watching.